Dear student, let's start exploring the world of finance. This video describe about Indian financial markets and financial services that we are going to discuss in detail in various units of the syllabus prescribed by Punjab University Chandigarh. So before discussing about what is financial market, what is capital market, what do you mean by money market, what are the money market instruments, stock exchange, or what are the various types of financial services and all. So before discussing about this, we must be aware about Indian financial system. So let's start exploring the things. Now, everyone aware about the term finance. Finance is the lifeblood of the organization of the system. Under business, it is a system. It is a thing which govern or work as a backup for the other operations of the business. Financial system comprises two words: system. System is a rules and regulation connection of one point to another point. So financial system means it a mixture of all the financial institutions, agents, practices and market transactions and claim. So financial system comprises a variety of financial markets, financial services, the securities or instruments we deal in. So financial markets or financial system, that is a broader concept rather than the financial market. So financial system is a medium through which we can convert savings into investments. Now come to the next slide. Financial system and economic development. You know very you aware about the things. Financial system, if financial system is good, then that will bring capital formation, and more the capital formation is there, this will automatically increase the standard of living of the person, and ultimately there will be increase in the livelihood of the persons. So when we discuss about financial system and economic development, or you can simple word say what are the role of financial system and economic development, we discuss in later on further in next units. Basically we concerned about three things: saving, finance and investment. So सेविंग सेविंग आपकी एबिलिटी है जिसके द्वारा आप कितना आप अर्न कर सकते हो, कैपेसिटी टू अर्न, दैट मीन आफ्टर अर्निंग हाउ मच यू कैन सेव. Finance means it means the resources you have after making your financial adjustment in home affairs, how much you can manage your finances properly and investment. That is the things where financial management came as a handy, where you have to invest, you have limited resources, limited financial resources. So among limited financial resources, how much you can invest in a particular avenues, investment avenues. Then next thing is financial system, functions of financial system, क्या क्या ये रोल है इसके, क्या चीजें करता है. Payment system, pooling of funds है, transfer of resources, risk management is there. It also help in price information, dealing with incentive problem and reformatory functions. So financial system perform various types of functions in economy. It is the backbone of the Indian economic system. Now keeping in mind, let's move further. Now, what are the components of Indian financial system? Basically, we classified Indian financial system into four parts. Number one, financial institutions. Number two, financial markets. Number three, financial instruments. And number four are financial services. So first three part cover under financial markets, and then last part is financial service. That is your unit two. when we concerned about financial institution, then two type of institutions are there: banking institutions and non-banking institutions. So in banking and insurance, you already heard about commercial banks and non-commercial banks, cooperative banks, RRBs, NABARD, and all other things. I'm not explaining all these things again. Then non-banking NBFCs, under this organized financial institutions and unorganized financial institutions. Under financial market, two type of markets are there. One is money market, another one is capital market. So under money market, call money market is there. Treasury bills, commercial bills. Treasury bill always issued by government. Then under financial instruments, short term, long term, and medium term instruments are there. Under capital market, primary market, secondary market, and derivative market. So we discuss all these things in later on when we move further in the course in the subject. Then financial services classified on the basis of two type of services are there: fund-based services, leasing, hire purchase, and factoring, and fee-based services, including these are just few points. The list can be exhausted. Merchant banking, credit rating, and mergers. So next, first, now elaborate the things. You can. I hope you will understand financial institutions. So financial institutions are basically participants of the financial market. They are the business organization who deal within the financial resources, financial uh, assets. They collect saving from one person and channelize that saving into productive resources on the basis of nature of activities. Financial institutions can be classified on three parameters. One is regulatory and promotion institutions, another one is banking institutions, and third one is non-banking institutions. Now, regulatory and promotional institutions, that is the apex authority, just like in insurance, IRDA is there. In case of banking, RBI is there. Stock exchange regarding SEBI is there. So they are governing higher authority than that. Is next is banking institutions, non-banking institutions, you already aware. So move further. Now financial market comprises uh, a mixture of financial instruments and financial services. Financial markets are the center where we can buy and sell the securities. These markets are settling the claim in monetary terms. The participant in financial markets are corporations, financial institutions, banks, organized institutional investors are all. So in the diagram you clear about financial markets, that is foreign exchange market is there, money market, derivative, future market, bond market, stock market, and all other types of markets are there. Then classification of financial markets, that on the basis of claim, two type of markets are there: debt market and equity market. All of you aware about debenture and equity preference and equity shares. On the basis of maturity of claim, money market and capital market. If securities are deal within up to within 1 year or 365 days, then that is called money market. More than that, that is called capital market. On the basis of seasoning of claim, primary market and secondary market. Then move further. Classification on the basis of structure or arrangement: organized market, unorganized market. Shahukar, money lender, money provider. Unorganized markets are there. Organized market comprises all the regulated banking institutions, NBFCs, and others. On the basis of timing of delivery, cash and spot market, forward and future market. You already read these concept in security and portfolio management. Then other types of financial market: foreign exchange market and derivative markets. So I'm not explaining all these things in detail, but later on we can discuss. Then financial instruments, these are called securities. So financial instruments are called as financial assets or the claims. They can be used as financial assets or liability depending upon who is the provider and who is the taker. On that basis, we can decide whether that is a financial liability or financial assets. So securities including shares, debentures, government bonds, treasury bonds, etc. So they are easily transferable from one person to another person's. Move further, financial instruments, capital market instruments, that may be money market instrument depending upon the nature or maturity of the transactions. If the financial instruments are used for raise, arranging the funds for long-term purpose, then that is called capital market instruments. If that is used for short-term financial needs, then we use, or you can say up to 1 year, then we use financial instruments, then that is these instruments are called मनी मार्केट इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स. अब हाइब्रिड इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्या होते हैं, जिसमें दोनों के कुछ न कुछ पॉइंट होते हैं, कुछ पॉइंट कैपिटल मार्केट के होंगे, कुछ पॉइंट मनी मार्केट के होंगे. सो व्हाट आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ दीज? कन्वर्टिबल डिवेंचर्स आर देयर, वारंट्स आर देयर. देन फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स के फीचर क्या होते हैं, करेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या हैं? लिक्विड होना चाहिए, दैट कैन बी इजीली मार्केटेबल, उसकी कोलेटरल वैल्यू, उसके अगेंस्ट आप लोन ले सकते हो, उसको एज ए सिक्योरिटी डिपॉजिट करवा सकते हो, दैट कैन बी इजीली ट्रांसफरेबल. उसका मेच्योरिटी पीरियड होएगा, अगर अप टू 365 डेज है, अप टू 1 year, देन मनी मार्केट है, मोर देन दैट है, देन दैट इज कंसिडर एज कैपिटल मार्केट इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स. देयर ऑलवेज transaction cost associated with issuing of financial instrument. Risk is there, nothing is free in this business world. Everything you have to pay the price, and future trading feature will also included in characteristics of financial instruments. Then financial services. So now up to this our syllabus cover unit 1. Now we move to unit 2 in financial services. Financial services are related with as a new sector. Its basic purpose is to facilitate financial transactions for individuals and institutional investors. So it is a mixture of all the activities that connecting with two things: converting investment into converting savings into investment. So that means investment is the output if we make a input of saving. So important financial services include lease financing, hire purchase, installment. So these are services we have to discuss in detail in various chapters later on when we proceed to these things. Then hire purchase services, we already aware about in accounting. Installment system is their leasing services, when we using the right of someone but we are not actually owned the asset, where the concept of lessor and lessee is there, landlord and tenant is there. Then housing finance services, HBFC or HDFC Bank, these are related with the National Housing Bank is their asset management company, AMC. In mutual fund we using these type of companies are there, which describe what is the investment objective. According to your investment objective, they see how much liquidity you want, how much risk you can take. Then on the basis of individual things they can making a portfolio of the assets. So basically AMCs are doing, वो आपके लिए एक गुलदस्ता बनाते हैं, उसमें फूल आप अपनी मर्जी से चूज कर सकते हो, बट वो आपको बताएंगे कि आपके लिए कौन सा फूल आपके गुलदस्ते को और ज्यादा खूबसूरत बना सकता है. देन वेंचर कैपिटल कंपनीज, ये बेटा फाइनेंसिंग कंपनीज के साथ रिलेटेड जिसमें हाई रिस्क होता है. तो वेंचर कैपिटल एक प्रोफेशनल फर्म्स होते हैं जो आपकी रिस्क असेसमेंट करती हैं. उस रिस्क असेसमेंट को करने के बाद वो आपको बताते हैं कि आपके लिए प्रोजेक्ट फिजिबल होगा या नहीं होगा. देन अब काफ़ी हमने अच्छा पढ़ लिया कि हमारा इंडियन फाइनेंशियल सिस्टम इतना वास्ट है, इसमें ये चीज़ें इंक्लूडेड हैं. अब इसकी वीकनेस क्या हो सकती हैं? फर्स्ट वन इज लैक ऑफ coordination among financial institutions. Already aware about NBFCs, banking, and other financial instruments. There is a lack of coordination among all the uh, financial institutions regarding to manage the financial affair of the industry or the economy. Our financial sector governed or controlled basically by banking sector, insurance and other new sectors are hardly, they are contributing in financial sector, but the major control by the Indian banks, inactive and erratic capital market So capital market always fluctuating. There are scams are there. Arshad Mehta, Ketan Park, and so other scams are there. Unhealthy financial practices, monopolistic market structures. So these are some weaknesses of Indian financial system. Uh, Lack of disclosures, uh, lack of proper standard practices of accounting and other things are there. So you can say जो छुपाने की आदत है कुछ हद तक तो ठीक है, पर जरूरत से ज़्यादा छुपाओगे तो वो प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करेगी. Similarly, in case of Indian financial systems, that will also true. Then, in the last, thank you for your patient hearing. I hope so. Student will having a overall overview of the Indian financial system that comprises two things: financial markets and financial services. So, thank you all.